Hello, and thank you for your interest in Windy City Steam. If you would like to book an appointment, the process is simple. You can get started by either filling in the form here on this page or by clicking Free Estimate here at the top. We'll click on Free Estimate. We'll select the services we need. Here we'll select carpet cleaning, area rug cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. Click Next Step. Select the type of property that you would be servicing. We'll just select single family home. Make it easy. Here's where you'll tell us more about the job. If you have pets, select there. Tell us what kind of pet you have. For square footage, we don't expect you to be exact. You can be approximate, but it does help us gauge time and the amount of chemicals that will go through, cleaning agents. We'll say we got a couple bedrooms and a living room. I don't know, 600. How soiled is it? We'll say 3 for average. Carpeted stairs, we'll say we'll go 8. Do you want the carpet protection applied? And we'll say that the living room is the highest traffic, so you want it in the living room. Do you want us to move furniture? Again, we'll move smaller things like end tables, lighter sofas, but we do ask that you get the heavier things off the carpet. We can't move big heavy items, but we don't mind sliding other things forward, cleaning where it was at, that kind of thing. We don't require pet treatment. So for the area rugs, you select the size. Say if you had more than one, you could easily just select the quantity right here, and then let's say that we just got one. We'll go 8 by 10. We don't need pet treatment. And we have an oversized chair. Again, if you had more than one, you just select right here, but we'll just go with one. And fabric protection, for sure. So now that you got your estimate, if you would like to book an appointment, just simply click Book an Appointment. But first you have to put in your name, an email, and just click Book My Appointment, and you'll be redirected to a form where you can select the date you would like to pick. And for instance, like let's say here the 23rd, I know we got a really big second half of the day, so we still have a morning appointment. If you would like one, you could select it, or if we get into next week here, we'll just go into day that I know that we're wide open this day, so you could select your time, put in your info, It's 425. You'll get a email confirmation, and we ask this for you twice just because this way we could actually put your booked appointment, actually match it with all the info that you just filled in. And then a job description. Say carpet cleaning. And I guess if you had like heavy pet odors or something, this is where you would want to tell us, so that we made sure that we had enough deodorizers, sanitizers, that kind of thing before coming to the job. I know I said we didn't have pet stains, but whatever, you get it. And just click schedule event. And you're done. You'll receive an email confirmation with everything that you need, with all the job details, and a link back to this page if you wanted to know how to prepare for us. This is just a list of what we'll need and kind of what to expect and that kind of thing. Other than that, we look forward to our service. Thanks again. Have a good day.